No, but I think so. So now I've clicked on it. I've clicked on this symbol properties. You can see the name of the currency pair as Australian dollars versus the Japanese yen. So Australian dollar is abbreviated as AUD, then while Japanese yen is abbreviated as JPY. So those are their names. Here you will see the spread they said is fluctuating, which is what the spread is what the brokers charge you for trading that particular instrument. Like I said, if you want to travel from United States to euro, or you want to travel from euro to United States, either they're both. If you go to where they're doing exchange, maybe at the airport, you want to do an exchange. Let's say, for example, we have €1. Let me go to that. Let me go to this other page. Let me go to this page again. Now, let's say, for example, here we have €1 is being sold at one point. We have €1 is being sold at 1.0 1.0670. That's what the price of €1 is being sold at. 1.0670. The big price is the price you are buying €1 at. The big price is the price you are buying €1 at. That's what it means, is that if you have US dollars, you want to buy euro, you buy €1 at this price right here. You buy a euro at that price. Then, let's say, for example, you want to sell back that your euro. You want to sell back that your euro. This time around, remember, you are actually buying USD. Sometimes we get this thing, we don't really get this thing the right way, because we are used to with the normal sell and buy, and buying a product and sell it off and giving it off out and stuff like that. Actually, when you are selling a product to somebody, actually you are buying that person's money. Yes. If I have a car and then I want to sell it to somebody at a rate of, let's say, 2 million naira, or let's say $1 million. Actually, what I'm actually doing is that I am buying that person's dollar at the rate of this my car. That's what it is. I'm buying that person's dollar, $1 million, at the rate of this my car. But we are used to it, using the word I am selling the car for 1 million. And then if the other person on the other side, the person will say that I am buying this car for 1 million. But in Forex, this is how we say it. In Forex, you just have to understand that this is how it plays out. That anytime you buy, you are buying the base currency, which is at this big price. It is at that big price. Please take note. You are buying the base currency at this big price. The price that is showing here, that is on your MetaTrader 4. Then if you are selling your Euro USD, you are actually buying US dollar. You're actually buying US dollar, which is the same thing as sell. That you are selling the pair. When you buy the pair, and when you sell the pair. But in real meaning of that buy and sell, that's what I'm trying to explain to us now. The real meaning of that buy and sell, what are we actually buying and what are we actually selling, is that anytime you click buy, you are using your quotes to buy. You're using your quote currency to buy the base currency. And anytime you click on sell, sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Let's get this right. Okay, and anytime you click on sell, please take note. Anytime you click on sell, you are actually buying something, but you are not buying the quote currency. You are not buying the quote currency at this rate. You get the point. You are buying the quote currency at this rate. That is, you are using your base currency to buy the quote currency at this rate, which is 1.0672. This example is for this particular pair. Please take note. I'm not saying that anytime you buy Euro USD, you buy it at a particular rate. But if you go to the MetaTrader 4, let's go to that Euro USD. This is Euro USD right now. Look at this. This is Euro USD right now. If I place a buy order, I'm buying Euro USD at this price, at this price here. If I'm selling Euro USD, I'm selling it at this price here. Please take note of that. Anyway, as time goes on, you begin to understand these things in a better way. That's just what it has to be as time goes on, so you understand it in a better way. Okay, so let's move to another thing. Okay, now let's go to currency pairs in FX, which I was trying to explain them. We have the major currency pairs. The major currency pairs are the most frequently traded currency pairs that involve the US dollars. The major currency pairs are those pairs that involve the US dollars. So, for example, we have let me just do this. Let me delete all of this and then input the ones that are for USD. Okay, let me put on my data. So okay, so go to Forex, then I want to just put only the major currencies, the ones that attack with the USD that has some level of liquidity that is traded often. Okay, then we have the Japanese yen. Okay, I need to delete this later on. Okay, so these are the list of major currency pairs that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is traded often. Major currency pairs. These are the list. You can see them right here. These are the list of major currency pairs. Okay. Here we have the US dollars that is quoted on Aussie, on Australian dollars, and Euro. We have it also on GBP USD, on GBP, we quoted with GBP, and then we have NZD USD, and then we have USD acting now as a base currency, and then we have USD also acting here as a base currency, and we have it acting as a base currency. Please take note that if you, for example, you did an analysis and you want to probably buy the United States dollars, believing that it's going to gain strength. Let's say you got an information on any of the fundamental sites that is telling you that United States dollars is going to gain strength. Now, if you go to Aussie, USD, you click on it, you go to new order, and then you click on buy. You click on sell, because when you sell, you are actually buying the United States dollars. Please take note, because the United States dollars is acting as a quote currency right now. It's acting as a quote currency. So when you click on sell, here, you're actually buying the United States dollars. You're buying the United States dollars at this price. You're buying the United States dollars at that price. And then when you click buy, When you click on buy, you are buying the Aussie, you are buying the Australian dollars at this price right here. You're buying the